Congress leader Sandeep Dixit has defended himself after his spat with TDP MPs. The Congress MP says that the TDP leaders abused him first and some of the abuses are in fact unmentionable.
When this gentleman came with a mask of Mrs. Gandhi and he was making fun of Mrs. Gandhi and, kind of abusing the dearest leader that the Congress has had and somebody who's dear to us, obviously we got angry and we were protesting about that. That is why they were named and they were then asked to leave the house. Instead of leaving the house, the gentleman there standing there, because we were obviously also shouting against him and, telling him about the fact that his behavior is not something that is correct for the house, he started abusing. I don't understand Telugu, but Madhu and Ponnam Prabhakar, both from Andhra Pradesh, then told me that the abuses that he have done is unmentionable. And obviously when somebody will abuse you personally, you're bound to get angry. And that is when we retorted. In fact, all of us did. And I asked him, I said, why don't you to come out and then we'll settle outside. What has BJP got to do with it? When this gentleman was abusing in Telugu Desam, BJP never got up and said anything. When he had on a mask of Mrs. Gandhi and was making fun of Indira Gandhi, they never said anything. So if they were really so concerned about dignity of the house, that's when they should have got up. I mean, they want to have some alliance with Telugu Desam. So there are these little games that they are playing. What else is it?
ये कांग्रेस के सांसद सारी मर्यादाएं तोड़ रहे हैं। लोकसभा एडजर्न होने के बाद कभी भी व्यवहार ऐसा नहीं हुआ जो आज व्यवहार हुआ है। संसद शर्मसार हुई है और संसद की कार्रवाई स्थगित होने के बाद जिस तरह से कांग्रेस के चीफ व्हिप संदीप दीक्षित और उनके जो नए व्हिप बने हैं मधु यास्की और कई कांग्रेस के सांसदों ने एडजर्न होने के बाद जिन सांसदों को नेम किया गया उनको जो भद्दी गालियां दी, इससे भी बुरी बात यह है कि वो दिल्ली के सांसद हैं, उनकी सरकार है और उनको कहा कि देखता हूं दिल्ली में तू कैसे रहता है। इस तरह की बात, इस तरह की धमकी पार्लियामेंट के अंदर हाउस न चल रहा हो तो इस तरह का व्यवहार कभी हुआ नहीं है।